We have a very standard room at the Washington Hilton located on Connecticut Avenue. This is the infamous site of where the attempted assassination on Ronald Reagan's life by John Hinckley took place. And this is just, again, a very standard room. Got the bathtub here, toilet, mirror, and yeah, like most hotels in DC, if you have a standard room, it's very small. Here's the bed, little side desk by the bed, and you got a television set. It's pretty big, Hilton style, full-size mirror here, and then you have a desk, coffee maker, not too bad, a little light for the workspace. And the view is, you know, kind of outside the hotel here, with see the curved shape of the hotel. And then you can see the Washington Monument. If you move this way, see that there? And again, then you got a chair where you can prop up your feet with a little ottoman. So again, it's a very standard room, little Capitol picture here, but not a bad place to stay for a night on business.